Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make glutathione tablets at home. First, gather your essential ingredients and equipment for a smooth process. You will need pure glutathione powder, along with pharmaceutical-grade excipients such as binders, fillers, and lubricants. Crucially, ensure you have a precise digital scale, a mortar and pestle for mixing, and a reliable tablet press. Having all your materials ready is the first critical step towards creating your own supplements with confidence and accuracy. Next, precision in measurement is paramount. Accurately weigh your glutathione powder and all excipients, such as microcrystalline cellulose as a binder and lactose as a filler, using your digital scale. Combine these dry ingredients thoroughly in a mortar and pestle, ensuring a homogeneous mixture. For enhanced tablet strength and consistency, you might consider wet granulation, carefully adding a small amount of a liquid binder solution to form granules before drying them completely. This step ensures uniform distribution. Once your powder blend or granules are ready, it is time to prepare them for compression. Add a small percentage, typically 0.5 to 1%, of a lubricant like magnesium stearate to your mixture. Gently blend this in for only a few minutes to ensure even distribution without overmixing, which can reduce tablet hardness. Then, carefully load the lubricated powder into the hopper of your tablet press. Adjust the press settings to achieve your desired tablet weight and hardness, ready for forming. After compression, it is vital to perform some basic quality checks. Examine your newly formed tablets for consistent weight, uniform hardness, and proper disintegration time. These checks help ensure efficacy and safety. Once satisfied, store your finished glutathione tablets in an airtight container, protecting them from light and moisture to maintain their potency. Remember, making supplements at home requires careful attention to detail and hygiene. Always prioritize safety and consult with professionals for precise formulations and guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.